ஹலோ காய்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் அடிக்ட் டு லேர்ன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஸ்பீட் குவிஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். மார்ச் மந்தோட டாப் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். டாப் 50 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அண்ட் இதுக்கப்புறம் ஏப்ரல் மந்த் கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸும் வரும். கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக அவங்க சப்போர்ட் கொடுங்க. அப்போ தான் நம்ம பார்ட் 2 வீடியோஸ் கூட நம்மளால் அப்லோட் பண்ண முடியும். இஃப் யூ நீட் அப்படின்னா கமெண்ட்டில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக பார்ட் 2 வீடியோஸும் நான் போடுறேன். அண்ணா அஃபேர்ஸ் க்ளவுடில் இருந்தால் எடுத்திருக்கேன். நீங்கள் அஃபேர்ஸ் க்ளவுடில் படிச்சிருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். சீக்கிரமே ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும் உங்கள் எல்லாத்துக்கும். அண்ட் வாங்க நம்ம எப்பவும் போல் ஸ்பீடாக குவிஸ்குள்ளே போயிடலாம். அண்ட் எப்பவும் சொல்கிறது தான், வாய்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்டர்பிங்காக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா மியூட் போட்டுட்டு வீடியோ பாருங்கள். ஆர் ஸ்லீப்பியாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னா வாய்ஸ் கேட்டுட்டு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்கள் ஆன்சரை லைவ் சாட்டில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். Okay, first question. Who recently became the 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Who recently became the 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Answer 1. Pushkar Singh Dhami. In March, Governor of RBI inaugurated the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub in Bangalore, Karnataka. Who was appointed as the first chairman of RBIH? Chris Gopalakrishnan. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to the second edition of the Export Preparedness Index that was released in March 2022? Answer. Maharashtra has retained the top position in the overall ranking with its total share in exports accounting for 18.9% as of 2020-21. Option 2. Who recently became the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh for a second consecutive term? Answer. Yogi Adityanath. Option 2. The cabinet recently extended the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana till dash with an outlay of 80,000 crore. Option 2. September 2022. In March, Dash became India's first city to get steel slag road. Option Surat, Gujarat. Who was recently elected as the 11th Director General of International Labour Organization? Option 3. Gilbert Haumbo. Who recently became the world's youngest and fastest female swimmer to swim across the Palk Strait for 13 hours and 10 minutes. Option 2. GRI. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the Wings India 2022, Asia's largest event on civil aviation held at Hyderabad, Telangana in March 2022? Option 5. All A, B and C. Name the Olympic medalist who was recently honored with the 3rd edition of BBC Indian Sports Women of the Year. Option 2. Mirabai Channu. Which state recently signed a pact with Assam to resolve the border dispute in 6 places? Option 5. Meghalaya. Who recently won Governor of the Year award at the 9th Central Banking Awards? Option 1 Mario Marcel. In which institute India's first artificial intelligence and robotics technology park was launched? Option 3 IISc Bangalore. Who authored the biography book Rahul Bajaj An Extraordinary Life? Option 5 Geeta Piramal. As per Deloitte's Global Power of Retailing 2022 Resilience Despite Challenges report, Reliance from India has ranked Dash on the list of top 250 global retailers, while Dash tops the index. 56th and Walmart. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the 2022 M3M Hurun Global Rich List released in March 2022? Option 5 only 1, 2 and 3. Which company recently signed an agreement with Dredging Corporation of India to build India's first Make in India dredger in collaboration with IHC Holland? Option 4 Cochin Shipyard Limited. NPCI is set to launch on-device wallet UPI Lite for small value transactions in offline mode. What is the upper limit of payment transactions in UPI Lite? Option 5 200 rupees. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the maternal mortality rate of India for 2017 to 2019 released by Registrar General of India in March 2022? Option 1 all A, B and C. Who recently won the 70th edition of Miss World 2021 held in San Juan, Puerto Rico? Option 1 Karolina Bielawska, Poland. In March, the National Capital Regional Transport Corporation launched India's first regional rapid transit system train for Delhi to Dash corridor. Option 5 Meerut. Dash has become the first state in India to introduce carbon neutral framing methods for better soil health. Option 5 Kerala. Who was appointed as the Chief Minister of Manipur for second consecutive term? Option 2 Biren Singh. The Reserve Bank of India lifted all the restrictions placed on Dash under its Digital 2.0 program. Option 4 HDFC Bank. Ashleigh Barty, a professional tennis player, recently announced her retirement from tennis. She belongs to which country? Option 5 Australia. Which country participated with India in the 9th edition of Maritime Bilateral Exercise SLEENEX 21 that was held in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh? Option 2 Sri Lanka. Tamil Nadu CM Stalin inaugurated India's largest floating solar power plant in Option 1 Thoothukudi. In which place India's first 100% women-owned FLO industrial park inaugurated in March 2022? Option 3 Hyderabad, Telangana. SEBI recently increased the limit for public debt investment through Unified Payments Interface from 2 lakh to dash with the effect from 1st May 2022. Option 1 5 lakh. Which of the following points is incorrect with respect to the cabinet approvals in March 2022? Answer option 3. Government of India and World Bank signed an agreement to set up the world's first and only global outposted center for traditional medicine in New Delhi. Which of the following financial institutes recently became 5th All India Financial Institution under the sections 45L and 45N of RBI Act 1934? Option 3 National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. Who recently became the 23rd Women Grandmaster of India? Option 2 Priyanka Nutaki. As per the National Family Health Survey 5, Dash became the top state in the list of full immunization with 90.5% coverage under Mission Indradhanush. Option 5 Odisha. Who was recently appointed as the Chairman of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India for 3 years? Option 1 Debashish Panda. In March, Dash became the first city in South Asia to set a target of zero out carbon emissions by 2050. Option 1 Mumbai, India. In March 2022, the Ministry of MSME extended the 20,000 rupees crore credit guarantee scheme for subordinate debt till Option 4 31st March 2023. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the RBI Regulatory Framework for Microfinance Loans Directions 2022, which will be effective from April 1, 2022? Option 1 all A, B and C. As per Bloomberg's data on market capitalization in March, India ranked Dash with an overall market capitalization of $3.21 trillion, while Dash tops the ranking with $47.32 trillion. Option 3 fifth and US. Name the operation that was launched by the Indian government to rescue Indian citizens from Ukraine due to the war between Russia and Ukraine. Option 4 Operation Ganga. In February, Dash became the first Indian to be named for the Boltzmann Medal in 2022 for contributions in the field of statistical physics. Option 5 Deepak Dar. Last 10 questions. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the cabinet approval in February 2022? Option 1 all A, B and C. As per the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Dash became top performing state in India in terms of per capita net state domestic product at current prices. Option 1 Telangana. Which state's chief minister autobiography is named Ungalil Oruvan One Among You was released by Rahul Gandhi, MP of the Indian National Congress? Option 3 Tamil Nadu. In March, Dash became world's first airlines to use solar aviation fuel. Option 3 Swiss International Airlines. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the 5th session of the United Nations Environment Assembly 5.2 held on 28th February to 2nd March 2022? Option 1 all A, B and C. In March, the Board of Control for Cricket in India IPL Governing Council announced Dash as an official partner for the Tata IPL 2022. Option 1 RuPay. Which of the following points is correct with respect to the recent exemption of the investments made in the umbrella organization by RBI? Option 1 all A, B and C. The Ministry for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying inaugurated the Sagar Parikrama, an initiative to solve the concerns of the fishermen community. Dash is the first state as part of the Sagar Parikrama initiative. Option 4 Gujarat. India's first indigenous flying trainer named Hansa NG New Generation completed the sea level trials at Puducherry. Which organization developed the Hansa NG? Option 2 CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories. Name the personality who has been selected to represent India at the 2041 Climate Force Antarctica expedition in March 2022. Option 2 Arushi Verma. And அவ்வளோதான் எனக்கு செஷன் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. 50 questions ஸ்பீடாக பார்த்தாச்சு. உங்களுக்கு இந்த செஷன் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு அப்கமிங் என்ன மாதிரி செஷன்ஸ் வேணும், என்ன மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்றத கமெண்ட்டில் மறக்காமல் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக என்னோடய எக்ஸாம் ஜேர்னிலேருந்து உங்களுக்கு பெஸ்ட்டாக கொடுக்குறேன். ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சி அப்படின்னா மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம அடிக்ட் டு லேர்ன் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். ஸ்டே டியூன்ட்.